Well, keen gardeners may be longing for a drop of rain to break the dry spell, but regardless of the weather, they have a treat in store this week at Hampton Court. The Royal Palace is hosting the UK's biggest garden and flower show. Well, Wendy Hurrell is there now, and Wendy, what a lovely day for it.
It absolutely is. We're in week 3 now with some very, very nice summer weather indeed. I have to say, though, looking very dry underfoot here at the show, as it is elsewhere. So I think the ground staff will have their work cut out, keeping the flowers at best over the next few days. There's loads going on here. It's absolutely gorgeous. And Brenda Romanis has been taking a look round today.
One of the small gardens featured at the show, teenager James Callicott's An Artist's Garden, sits proudly amongst those of more experienced exhibitors. So tell us about your artist's garden. What's inspired this?
Garden really is designed to ask, is there a link between gardening and art? I've just brainstormed ideas, and it was one of the things I was planning to do later on in life, make questioning gardens. But then it was suggested to me that we do it now, and that's what we did.
The event champions artistic inspiration, and the show and conceptual gardens are a major part of this.
People are always asking this question. They say, what is the trend for this year? And the answer is, there really isn't one. It depends, because it's a way of an individual thinking and doing what they feel they want to do. I mean, and garden design is just as much of an expression as sculpture or painting or anything like that.
Hence, get thee gone, and follow me no more.
Some fine performers were on hand to complement the 6 gardens inspired by William Shakespeare's best-loved plays. Now, much of this, as you know, is about beautiful flowers, and I'm here to meet the winner of Rose of the Year. This is it, Joie de Vivre, and the winner is John Lord from Mattex. Congratulations.
Thank you.
What is it about this beautiful creation that makes it the Rose of the Year?
Joie de Vivre is a compact, free-flowering floribunda. It's really easy to grow. It will grow very well in a container and has tremendous health.
So even like me, you can't plant for toffee, you could look after something as gorgeous as this?
Absolutely.
Dame Judi Dench was presented with 2 unique varieties of roses, the Drama Queen and Hever Castle. Do you find time to spend in the garden and potter around with your roses?
Yes, I don't do the pottering, actually. Somebody does the pottering for me, but I sit in it.
In terms of personality, would you say this is much like you, strong, fragrant, so use that lovely word?
And wilting.
And wilting.
Sorry.
I certainly want to say that. You said that.
Well, I trailed in after lots of people with hampers and bottles of bubbly. Very well dressed they were and in high spirits. So I think it's going to be a lovely evening here, and it's very welcome that the sun is shining down on us. But it has been the driest 6 months for 80 years, so it will become a concern of ours, I'm sure, because it's staying dry throughout this week once again, and in fact getting hotter still. Now today we had temperatures around 23 degrees. It's similarly that sort of temperature throughout the day tomorrow, so around 23 degrees, comfortable, lovely summer weather. By the time we get to Friday, well, we're going to be in the sizzling heat of 28 degrees Celsius, 82 degrees in Fahrenheit once again, and it will feel more humid. So this evening, beautiful sunshine. We've had a smattering of clouds throughout the day, but even that whistles off into the North Sea as we go through the night. So by the end, by dawn, it's starry skies we will see, and a fresh temperature of 11 or 12 degrees in the countryside, but something like 15 degrees in the more built-up areas. But we start tomorrow with beautiful crystal blue skies, absolutely glorious. We will see it turning more hazy throughout the afternoon, and the cloud might thicken up to give us a spot or 2 of rain in the evening, but it's going to be a mostly dry day, and temperatures, as I say, similar to today, 23 degrees with light winds. By the time we get to Wednesday, definitely feeling more humid because there's more cloud in the sky and a bit of brightness breaking through. The sunshine returns on Thursday. You can see 25 or 26 degrees by then. And if we take a look at the outlook, well, you can see as it hots up throughout the week, up to 28 degrees and quite a high humidity by Friday. But at the moment, lovely weather to enjoy this show.
Thank you very much, Wendy.